So children, in our last class, we have started with conjunctions. Yes, what are conjunctions? A conjunction is a word used to join words, groups of words, that is phrases and sentences. Okay, and we have discussed few examples of conjunctions. Yes, in today's class, we are going to discuss little more about conjunctions. We are going to take few more examples of conjunctions. Clear? Now children, let's see what are the conjunctions that we use for telling time. For telling time. So these are the conjunctions on screen children that gives information about time. Like as soon soon as, after, before, as, since, while. So children, these are the few examples of conjunction that gives information about time. Okay, now see here example. I came as soon as I heard the news. That means the moment I heard the news, I came. Okay, I came as soon as I heard the news. Next example, I met him as I was crossing the road. I met him as I was crossing the road. That means when I was crossing the road, I met him. Next example, a cat entered their house while they were watching the television. A cat entered their house while they were watching the television. That means when the family members were watching television, cat entered their house. Okay, while, as soon as. Yes, so these are the examples. Fine children. Now children, let's see what are the conjunctions that we use to tell cause or reason. Okay, conjunctions that tell cause or reason, like because, since, as. These are the conjunctions commonly used for telling reason. For telling reason. For example, children, see here on the screen. I could not complete the paper since it was too lengthy. Why I could not able to complete paper? Because it was too lengthy. So children, same sentence. I could not complete the paper since it was too lengthy. I can speak in other way. I could not complete the paper because it was too lengthy. I could not complete the paper as it was too lengthy. Okay. Now children, see the conjunctions that tells about result or consequences. Now we use conjunctions so and that. We use conjunctions so and that. For example, he spoke so fast, he spoke so fast that I could not take down any notes. He spoke so fast that I could not take down any notes. That means he was speaking really fast and it was difficult for me to take notes, to write down notes. Is it clear, children? Now, children, see what are the conjunctions that tell conditions. Okay, that inform us about condition. Unless, if, as long as. So, children, unless, if, as long as are the conjunctions that give information about condition. For example, you cannot get this job unless you pass a written test. So children, what conjunction is used here? Unless. Okay, you cannot get this job unless you pass written test. Okay, now let's take another example. You can watch television as long as you have completed your homework. Now children, please pay attention again. You can watch television as long as you have completed your homework. That means if you want to see TV, you have to complete your homework. Now, one more example. Now children, let's see what are the conjunctions that used for concession or contrast. Concession or contrast means children for joining sentence to different sentences or sentences having different ideas. Okay, we use conjunction although, even if, though, even though. Although, even if, though, even though. These are the concession we use for joining two different sentences which is having different ideas. For example, although the room was dark, he did not feel afraid. Although the room was dark, he did not feel afraid. That means the room was dark, but he did not feel afraid. Now, next one. Though my grandmother is old, she is healthy. He telling, though my grandmother is old, she is healthy. So, in spite of old age, grandma is healthy. Now, next example. I shall not betray my country even if I have to sacrifice my life for it. So, I shall not betray my country even if I have to sacrifice my life for it. So, children, these are few examples. Okay. Now, children, let's see few more conjunctions. Like where, whenever, as if, as, then, so that. Where, whenever. These are the conjunctions that gives information about place. As if. It gives information about manner. As, then we use for comparison. Okay, so that it gives information about result. Now, let's see examples, children. Ria found her bag where she had left it in the shop. Ria found her bag where she had left it in the shop. That this conjunction where is telling about or giving information about the place where Ria had left her purse. Okay, now next example. Wherever he goes, he wins respect. That means whichever place he goes, he wins people's respect or he wins people's heart. So, wherever is a conjunction that gives information about place. So, wherever he goes, he wins respect. Next example, he behaved as if he was angry. He behaved as if he was angry. Okay, children. So, as if gives information about manner. He behaved as if he was angry. That means he was behaving in a manner as he was angry. Okay. Next example. Rohan is as clever as his brother. So here conjunction, Rohan is as clever as his brother. So conjunction as clever as comparing Rohan with his brother. Is it clear, children? Now, one more example, children. I speak to him so that he should not feel left out. So, children, here in this sentence, it is telling, I speak to him so that he should not feel left out. So that means, so that, conjunction so that is telling that why. It is telling reason. It is giving a reason. It is telling that reason why She was talking to somebody. It is telling about the result. So here I was speaking to he. Yes, I was speaking to he because he was new in the circle and I was trying to comfort him. Okay, so that he should not feel left out. Okay, I speak to him so that he should not feel left out. So children, these are the conjunctions that we use in different conditions. I believe these are clear to you all. Okay. Now, so I believe conjunctions are clear to you all. Thank you. Stay blessed.